Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in this video we will learn about Schema Builder in Salesforce. In this video we will deep dive into what is Schema Builder in Salesforce, and after that I will explain how we can use Schema Builder in Salesforce. So watch the video till end and don't miss any step. After that you can also able to use Schema Builder in Salesforce. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so whenever we post a new video you will get an update. So first I will show you, without using the Schema Builder in Salesforce, how we can navigate to the page layout and fields and relationship in Salesforce. So for that, here you can see, here we have Object Manager, click on it. And here you will see all the standard and custom object that we have in the Salesforce org. Now for example, I want to open the account object. And from here we can navigate to fields and relationship, page layouts, lightning record page, button links and actions. Now if I want to navigate to the different object, what should I do? Again click on Object Manager, and from here in the quick find box you can search for the object where you want to navigate to the fields and relationship and the page layout in Salesforce. Now let's check about the Schema Builder. What is difference between this manually navigating to the object and using Schema Builder, how we can navigate to the object differently. So for that, click on this Home tab. In the quick find box, search for the Schema Builder. Here you can see under the objects and fields, here we have Schema Builder, click on it. Now before moving ahead, let's understand the definition of Schema Builder so that you will be easily understand what is Schema Builder and what we can do using the Schema Builder. So let's understand the definition. It is an interactive tool that allows us to visualize, design and modify their data model like objects, fields and their relationships in graphical interface. So this is the Schema Builder, which is graphical representation where we can visualize, design and create the objects and fields in Salesforce. Again, it provides a user-friendly drag and drop functionality to manage Salesforce objects, making it easier to understand the data structure. That means if you navigate to the Schema Builder, so let me remove this one. For that, click on this gear icon and hide object on canvas. Now to understand the data structure, here I am adding the account. So first let me zoom out this one. Now here you can see, here we have one scroller. As I click on this minus, it will be zoom out, and as I click on this plus, it will be visible, that means it will be zoom in. Now another object I want to add contacts. For that, here you can see, here we have quick find, click on it, then search for the contact. As you search for the contacts, here you can see, here we have object contacts. As you click on this checkbox, it will get add to the canvas. Here we have account and contact. So here we have one line which represents the lookup relationship between accounts and contacts. Now this is the data structure where we can visualize on the Schema Builder. Now what are the different things we can do in Schema Builder? So we can view the data model. Here you can see accounts and contacts. After that, we can also view the relationship between the objects. Then we can add the new object, that means we can create new object using the Schema Builder. After that, we can also add the fields to the object that we have in the Salesforce. Then we can also create the relationship between the objects. Now let's understand this functionality one by one. So here you can see, currently we are on the object tab. As you click on this all objects drop down, here you will see selected objects, standard objects, custom objects and then system objects. Now the all objects means, here you can see all the standard and custom objects that we have in the Salesforce org. After that, as I click on the selected objects, so first let me remove the searched object. And now here you can see in the selected objects, here we have account and contacts. That means the objects we have added on the Schema Builder canvas, those objects will be visible in the selected objects. After that, we have standard objects. As you click on it, here you will see all the standard objects that we have in the Salesforce org. After that, custom objects, and here you will see the objects that you have created. That means the custom objects are nothing but the objects that created by the users. So here I have created two objects, faculty and student. After that, as I select this system objects, here you can see activity, event, task and user. So these are the system objects in Salesforce. Now here I am selecting all objects. Now here you can see, here we have two options, select all and then clear all. As I click on this select all, now here you can see all the objects that we have in the Salesforce org, that all objects are get added to the schema builder canvas. So this will be very difficult to understand. For that, here I am clicking all, clear all, so that all the objects that we have in the schema builder canvas, that all objects will be get removed. Now again here I am adding accounts and then contacts. So here I am searching for the contacts, add it. Now here you can see, here we have legend which denote the lookup relationship, master data relationship, and then required fields. So the lookup relationship displays the blue line. Here you can see the lookup relationship between accounts and contacts. Then the red line displays master data relationship, and the required field displays this straight single line. So here you can see in the account object, here we have account name, account owner, created by, and then last modified by. These are the required field in the account object. And in the contact object, here we have contact owner, created by, after that last modified by. These are the required field from the contact object. Now we have seen the objects. Now let's understand the elements. As I click on this, and now here you can see, here we have objects and fields. So we can also create the objects from the schema builder. For that, what you need to do, you need to drag this and drop to the schema builder canvas. And now here I am going to create new custom object. For that, in the label, here I am providing course. In the plural label, again course. After that, you can provide the description if you want to. Then scroll down. Here you can see, here we have record name. Here I am changing from course name to course ID. In the data type, here I am selecting auto number. Display format, here I am providing course ID hyphen, and then format to display the auto number. So here I am providing 000. Starting number will be 1. Click on allow reports, allow activities, track field history, and in the deployment status we need to set as deployed, and then check this checkbox and then click on save. Now our object has been successfully created. So now I want to add fields in the created object. For that, scroll down. Here I am searching for the text. Here you can see, here we have text. Drag this and drop to the object on which you want to create the field. So provide the field name. Here I am providing course name. Field name will be automatically populate. Length 255. If you want to make it required, click on this checkbox. If you want to make it unique, and then click on save. Now here you can see the course name field has been successfully added to the course object. So, and now here you can see there is no any line between accounts and course, and then course and contacts. So what does it mean? It means there is no relationship between account and course, and then course and contacts. Now here I am removing the account object. For that, click on hide. Again contact also. Click on hide object on canvas. And now here I am adding the student object, which is the custom object. So here I am searching for the student. Now I want to create relationship between student and course. So in this situation, multiple student can select one course. That means the child object will be student and parent object will be course. And we know that when we create the relationship field on the child object or many side object, we used to create lookup field. For that, here I am clicking on elements, and then here you can see, here we have lookup field. You need to drag this and drop to the student. Now enter the field label. So in the field label, here I am providing select course. Field name will be automatically populate. Then in the related to, here I am searching for the course, because we are going to make relationship between course and student. So here we have course object, select it, and child, and the child relationship name and related list name will be automatically populate. Then click on save. Now here you can see between the student and course, the lookup relationship has been successfully created. Now we have seen how to create object and how we can add the fields to the object. But till now we only have created the object. We didn't add this object to any app. So first we need to add this object on the app. For that, let's navigate to the setup. In the quick find box, search for the app manager. Open the app manager. Now search for the app on which you want to add the created object. So here I have created one custom app which is Institute CRM. Here you can see the custom app that I have created. Click on this drop down and then click on edit. After that, here you can see here we have navigation items. As you click on it, from here we can add the object that we created. So in the available items, here I am searching for the course object. But here you can see here we are not getting the object that we created. Why this? Because first we need to create the tab for the object. For that, let's navigate back. In the quick find box, search for the tab. Here you can see under the user interface, here we have tabs. Open it. And now click on this new button. In the object, here we need to select course. Select the tab style. Scroll down. Click on next. Click on next. And from here also we can add the object to the application. So here I only want to add course object on the Institute CRM. So here I want to remove all this and then select the Institute CRM. After that, click on save. Now as you navigate to the Institute CRM, open it, and here you can see the course object or tab has been successfully added. As I open it, here I am creating new record. If you have remember, we also have created the course name field on the course object. But sometimes in the Salesforce Lighting, it takes time to reflect the changes. So for that, what we can do, here I am clicking on save, so that one record will be get created. And after creating the record, here you can see, here we can see course name field. Now here I am clicking on this course name. Here I am adding one course. So here I am adding the Salesforce. Click on save. Again here I am creating new course. For that, if I click on this now, again here I am not getting the course name. For that, again click on the save. Provide the name. Now here I am providing SharePoint. Click on save, and that's it. So here I am clicking on student. As I open any student, here you can see here we have select course. As I click on this lookup icon, now here you will see the course that we have created. Now here I am selecting this course ID. Now let's navigate to the Schema Builder. So after the elements, here you can see here we have one auto layout. So the position automatically get changed. After that, here we have view options. As you click on it, here we have three options: display element names, hide relationship, and after that hide legend. So as you click on this hide legend, so this legend will be get removed. Let's see. As I click on this hide legend, it get removed. After that, the first option we have display element names. So what is it means? Currently here you can see in the objects we can see the label. As you click on this display elements name, now here you can see here we have the API names. After that, again as you click on this display element labels, here we can see the labels. After that, we have another option which is hide relationship. So before this, here we have relationship line. As you click on this hide relationship, it will get removed. After that, here you can see gear icon. As you click on it, here also we have the different options, same for the student also. Now as I click on this hide object on canvas, it will get automatically removed. After that, the another option we have edit object properties. That means as I click on it, from here I can make the changes as per our requirement. Let me cancel this one. After that, here we can delete the object. Then also we have the view object. As you click on it, the object page will be automatically opened. Here you can see fields and relationship, page layouts, lightning record pages. That means as we click on this view object, the object manager will be open. Now another option we have, view page layouts. This will also redirect to student object on the object manager. As I click on it, here you can see again we have redirected to the object manager of the student object. Again navigate to the Schema Builder canvas. So this is all about the Schema Builder in Salesforce. I hope whatever I explained you understood that. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so whenever we post a new video you will get an update. Thank you.